Welcome to our small video presentation. This video demonstrates the use of AutoCAD software in designing of a product. The procedure involves creating of basic drawing, adding engineering styles to it, dimensioning of the layout and plotting of model details at the last. Finally, we will show you how to build a 3D model from the existing orthographic views.
The first thing we need to do is setting up the drawing unit and limits. Here is the process. I am keeping the unit as decimal millimeters. Then I will set the limits. Here the drawing limit is 400 mm into 500 mm. Creating orthographic views using draw and modify tools. So first of all I will draw the references using construction line. Then after I will draw the required circles and lines. Here I am using some other modifying tools like offset and trim and copy. Creating and applying layers. Now I have created some layers as per the requirements of my drawing. Then I will apply them on the objects. And after applying the layers, the drawing will look like this, with the objects having different colors, line types and line weights. Adding annotative text and dimensions. In this drawing, we have to add different dimensions like linear, radius, angle, etc. And after applying all the dimensions in detail, the whole drawing will look like this.
Converting orthographic views into 3D model. Plotting of the drawing layout. Here I kept all the isometric and orthographic views of the product in a single sheet or layout. Finally, let's plot the layout into PDF.
For detailed presentation, you can contact us.